Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Jules and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, but here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm going to start with today's news. Our Gabon coach don't send Aubameyang and Lemina, make them go their respective clubs, go recover from their illness. Like Lemina now don't go back to Nice. They can't send Aubameyang to go back to Arsenal because what happened is the coronavirus Aubameyang gets, even though he don't recover, don't tender a negative test. But they can't recover, they can't discover say more subsequent tests. So they can't find out say they get coronavirus residue wasted there for Aubameyang system. And at the same time, they can't find out say the guy get heart lesions. When shows say maybe anyone gets suspected heart case. But unto say the coach say they don't get better pathology for that Cameroon where they there compared to like England now. Because we make them send them back to Arsenal, make them for evaluate them for there, come know whether this guy health they get problem are being there okay. So now they don't send the guy go back to Arsenal. People about me and say don't come and they debunk some kind of rumors. Some people they peddle some rumors for social media say the reason we make Gabon FA pursue Aubameyang because of discipline issues again. Let the guy no get discipline at all, say no dey mature, they talk plenty things against them. Say go club, come go drink, come dey drunk, come carry woman come, so they come dey fight. We never confirm this story, na just rumors sha. But Aubameyang sef don come outside come debunk am. Even Lemina sef don come outside talk say I don't know why people dey peddle some rumors. Say some people wey dey surround that Gabon FA, they just dey peddle some kind of rumors to create a buzz. Say na only God know which one be true. So the matter just be so. Presently, as we get now, Aubameyang don't go back to Arsenal. So remember the physios, assess am. Moving forward, we know what to do. At the same time, Fabrizio Romano will be one of our monitoring spirits. Don't come outside and let us know say Lille no go gree to sell Jonathan David to Arsenal for this January. So even if they won't sell am, say na maybe at the end of the summer. So you know see that guy there for our shopping list for this January. So now we will cancel am from our shopping list. So we will continue with other targets we will find. Today na 17, we never sign one person and we don't let some people go. One person we never sign. Well, go to watch at 17 whether na deadline day, if like final day we go sign player like we dey sign Tomiyasu, we never know. Go dey watch am. At the same time, Fabrizio Romano don come outside. They let us know say Pablo Mari don finish im medical for Udinese. So anytime soon, they expect this guy to go join Udinese. Even Udinese president sef don come outside talk say they on their way, on the verge of signing a new centre back. And now we don't know say that new centre back na Pablo Mari because Mari dey be surplus to requirement for Arsenal. The guy never play, I don't pay wey play, and everybody dey find how they go dey represent their country for World Cup. So they can reason that Teta one say Baba I would like to move you. I see am now, make I go join somebody before they come help and get this Udinese. And the deal sef na a loan with no obligation to buy or no option to buy. So na just outright loan. So you go join them, come back. Well, we wish him all the best of luck. At the same time, Everton dey in talks to sign Roberto Martinez from Belgium. You see the guy na Belgium #1 coach, and the assistant na be Thierry Henry will be our legend. So wetin make this news dey significant? Say some people dey talk say okay, Henry go become assistant for Roberto Martinez for Everton. They can't imagine say they play against Arsenal. So Henry go come dey fight how they win Arsenal. You know all these things can make people dey relish the sight of seeing Henry coming back to EPL. But Belgium FA don't cancel their plans. They no, we don't agree with that because Everton they propose say no what they say the guy goes Martinez and Henry. They go see they handle Belgium FA matters. At the same time, they will see when they handle Everton. But Belgium FA don't say no, we don't want that. How can our coach they combine Everton job and FA job? Meanwhile, Martinez get £2 million plus breakout clause, like buyout clause. Like if Everton want buy am out from Belgium FA, they go pay that money. Even Everton sef come outside say we are willing to pay the buyout clause. Belgium say no, we don't want. Thank you. Go and look for a new coach. So now we don't go see our darling Henry for the dugout again. Yeah. At the same time, Ian Wright don come outside, come dey let us know say almost say he follow that Jet Spence of Nottingham Forest talk. Say they let the guy know say this one even say he dey out on loan. Means was send you out on loan. Come for Nottingham Forest. I see the guy performances wey he dey play. Don't be like this dey play wicked waka. Why they go send you out on loan? Who come with the people wey dey for the first 11 shirts for there? Take one on understand say something is wrong with Middlesbrough. If dem fit send you out on loan with dis your performances, you no see chance play for that Middlesbrough. Something is wrong. And now no be only Arsenal dey go for this jet spends. Leeds sef don involve for the matter say dem dey find how dem go take play the guy gan. So now we never really know who Middlesbrough go sell the guy to, because you know say Middlesbrough and Arsenal don get good relationship, because we don send Folarin Balogun go there, and their coach Chris Wilder, he don deem say jet spends dey surplus to requirements for there, even though a lot of people don dey eye the guy now say this boy is good. So we never know how e go solve. Whether the guy go like to come here, come be understudy to Tomiyasu, maybe say he no go get plenty game time like that, or he go go for league so he go fit get first team shirt. We never know how e go solve. Before the watch am. Arsenal dey interested in signing Inter Milan Ivan Perisic. Ivan Perisic na 33-year-old midfielder, and the guy dey play very well. Still dey at the top of his game. The guy don win plenty things. Follow help Conte win the league last season, and then be defending champions for Serie A. Even Antonio Conte said the reason the guy make him bring the guy come for Tottenham was, you say Antonio Conte like to use all these kind of old men wey people dey think say their career don end. You just go pick them from somewhere, assemble them, use them, win something, will shock you. So Arsenal now don dey desperate, because today is 17th. We never sign anybody, and our midfield get a lot of holes, a lot of spaces. So the reason I would they bring Perisic now, come for our midfield, come play for us. I wanna see this Perisic. You say the guy that 33-year-old, so I don't know whether some people go like the deal, I will not go hail the deal. What do you think now? My dear football lovers, make una help us take our community for YouTube to 3,000 community members. Presently, we dey 2,500. So if you never subscribe, make you subscribe. Support your boy. Go for grow. Make we meet our next target, so the 3,000 community members. I dey very happy say our community dey grow. Now we dey 2,500. This YouTube community, na just 4 months ago we just create am. So now the thing sef don dey grow. So we dey very grateful. And make una continue to support us, and we dey here to give una all the latest news as e dey drop. Diego Costa don terminate im contract with Atletico Mineiro, so Baba don be free agent now. Diego Costa play for I think 5 or 6 months for Atletico Mineiro. He come complain say he no really enjoy the play, say he get adaptation issues. So the koko of the matter be say now Baba don be free agent, and you know say Arsenal don get informal talks with Costa, say they go like to bring Costa to the Emirates. So now if they wan even get Costa on a short-term deal, maybe from now to the end of the season, e no go cost us anything, na just the salary we go pay. So I don't know how na take see this deal. This deal no be deal wey go cost us money, and the guy go still help us. A fully fit Costa is better than nothing at all, because when you look at our striking department, we have only Lacazette, we have Nketiah, we have no Balogun again, and then Lacazette and Nketiah. Aubameyang, we never know whether they will bring am back into the fold. So if he gets Costa, e no bad. I don't know wetin una think now. For me, Costa is not a bad deal. The guy dey 33 years old, that's quite true, but Costa still gets this threat. He has this massive appeal. He still fit. Now in the vacation, I think for Spain, so we can still call him and bring him to our fold. Wetin una think about this matter? Our report wey dey hear from Florentina be say Vlahovic dey reason say he wan wait till the summer before he go decide in future. The guy no really wan join Arsenal from the look of everything, because Arsenal don do everything possible. We don offer the 58.5 million pounds wey dem say dem want, we no get response. We don say okay, make we give them 50 million pounds. Put Torreira there, no response. Wetin again dem wan make we do? Wetin dem wan make we do? You know, thinking at the high time now wey we say Arteta and Richard Garlic with Edu Gaspar go cast their net go another person. Even if na Dominic Calvert-Lewin una wan sign now, sign am. If na Isaac, sign am. If na Oli Watkins, sign am. Sign somebody. We no fit use just Lacazette and Nketiah for the rest of the season. E no go make sense. What if Lacazette collect coronavirus? So we gonna depend on Nketiah. Sign somebody, sign anybody at this point in time. Even if the person like maybe 40 years old, sign am on a short-term contract. We need to end up on top 4. If we end up on top 4, you will get this massive appeal to people so that they will come join you. Now that is the major problem we will get. Look at us now today. Now nobody trusts us because we are not guaranteed to end up in top 4 with the way things they go on now. So we need to prove to everybody, say we can end up in top 4. Bring Champions League football and attract the best of the best players in the world. To sign anybody now, I don't understand how to say they wait till 9 minutes or it no go make sense. This Vlahovic matter, I no go lie for una, e don tire me. I no dey like to even dey talk about this guy every day. E don tire me. Make dem cast their net, look for another person now. At the same time, our monitoring spirit wey dem dey call iNews don come outside dey let us know say Arsenal match wey dem wan play with Liverpool on Thursday say e dey in doubt because Arsenal never even give the media like injury reports or coronavirus reports. We never know who don recover, who never recover. So na in the coming days, maybe on Wednesday, they will give us injury updates. Maybe Arteta will do media conference ahead of the match on Thursday when we go play against Liverpool for EFL Cup, so that we know who go play and who no go play. Because I need to let us know say Arsenal fit still apply to the FA say make una help us postpone this match because we don't have the required number of players to play this match. Even sef Burnley don request for postponement for their match against Watford and the FA don approve am again say they no get the required numbers of players. They only have 10 outfield players and it is what it is. You can't kill them. So FA don approve am again. So nobody talk anything about am. So why nobody talk say make Burnley go use under 23 because na Arsenal everybody dey chook mouth. Nobody talk about Burnley and Watford o. So now we dey hear say Arsenal can request for a postponement for this match. So everything is subject to Wednesday's media conference wey Arteta go do to let the whole world know who dey available and who no dey available so that we know whether we don pass the threshold, maybe the 13 outfield players and the goalkeeper. Well, till then, I will keep una updated. At the same time, like I said, don't turn down Newcastle contract offer because Newcastle offer am contract make he come join them. This one, like I said, get like maybe 6 months left for him contract when go be free agents. And Newcastle now they do a revival. They no wan go relegation, so they don dey sign, dey price different people. So like I said, they say, "Omo, me I no follow for una revival o. When I go find another person." So we never know whether, like I said, they do this one because they expect Arsenal to give them an improved offer. I've been the holder saying go accept Arsenal offer in the future. We never really know wetin dey sup. So anyhow wey dey go with, like I said, I go let una know. But me no forget say this guy dey eligible to sign a free contract offer with anybody wey him like. Because as him dey now, anybody can come and make him sign. Well, I go let una know as everything is sup sha. Arsenal don officially call Miguel Aziz back from a post-month loan to Arsenal. But I just wan correct one impression. A lot of people dey think say na because Arsenal get midfield crisis, that is why dem bring back Aziz to come play for our midfield. But that is not the case. Dem bring am back because Aziz no dey progress for post-month. Dem no dey use am well, and Arteta and Edu Gaspar with Richard Garlic don reason am say this guy no dey progress well. Dey good make dem recall am so that dem go fit send am out on loan to another place. So that's why they brought him back. So if you know what yesterday update by them football lovers, check the top corner of the screen. You see the thumbnail. Click it and watch it so that you get all the updates as it drops and it's actually signing out. Have a great day. And them out.